Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Here we discuss about the privacy preserving user profile matching in social networks. Next we discuss about the domain protection. There are two domains are using the program: data mining and cloud. Data mining is the process of sorting through large data sets to identify patterns and establish relationship to solve problems through data analysis. Data mining tools allow enterprises to predict future trends. And then cloud computing provide a fast and efficient way to share data resources and a mountain number of people access data through network. Next we discuss about the abstract. A user queries a user profile database maintained by a social networking service provider to find out other users whose profiles are similar to the profile specified by the querying user. Example of application is online dating. We give a privacy preserving solution for user profile matching in social networks by using multiple servers, uploading his her profile to social networks. Each user encrypts the profile by a homework encryption scheme with a common encryption key. Even if the user profile database falls into the hand of hacker, the hacker can only get the encrypted data. When a user wishes to find people in the social media network, the user encrypts his her preferred user profile and a dictionary threshold and submits the query to the social networking service provider. Based on the query, the profile ID is correct. When securities share the decryption key, compare the preferred user profile with each record in the database. Finally, predict the duplicate record. Next we discuss about the data flow diagram. Three modules. And then cloud register user. Register module: the Facebook user create the new account and automatically FB ID is generated. Choose privacy option. Using the privacy option, we are take the particular details stored in privacy. And the next process is load and view public data. In this module, user browse and select the dataset. Select the dataset. The selected database will be viewed in the loaded into the database. In process, we are using the Facebook dataset to analyze the and products the result. We have complete and loaded the dataset. In this dataset, the attribute are name, message, ID, etc. Using this dataset only, we want to predict the duplicate file. And then next step is cloud. Log into the cloud server. Cloud server maintain the user details, keep the data safe and secure, view the user privacy details and upload the privacy file. Cloud user generate to encrypt the data file for security purpose. Data user can upload the different data set by using the same encryption method and view the encryption record. And the next step is user. Register process is correct after go to the user login process. Validate login after go to the next process. If the data user want to access the data, they need to get the key. After getting the key, they can decrypt the file. And then finally, predict the duplicate profile. Predicting is data mining is to identify data points purely on the description of another related data value. It's not necessarily related to future events, but the used variables are unknown. For example, predicting model in data mining are used by marketing manager who predict that how much amount a particular customer will spend during a sale, so that upcoming sale amount can be planned accordingly. The prediction in data mining is known as numeric prediction. Finally, predicting concept. Using this Facebook dataset, the Facebook user using the more than duplicate profile. The prediction concept find the how much data duplicate to identify and predict the data and display the count. Next we discuss about the running process. Start the home process. Select the register button and then create the new Facebook account. and then ID generation. Click the privacy data and then create the account. View the public data. Next process is cloud login. After go to the view the encryption file. Next process is browse the file. Select the file and then view the data. Encrypted the data, and the next process is encryption file is view, and then next process is user login. Validate user login is go to the key generation. Generate the key. Next process is receive the key and then view the encryption file and decrypt the code. Next process is predict the duplicate account. And then count is displayed. That's all. Back to the home process. That's all.